asking that is given k belongs to n. N meaning is natural number, right? After that is given log x base 2, log x base 3, log its base is 4, log x base is 8 is equal to given log x and k. After that is given k is equal to a power 1 by b, and after that is find the a plus b. Now is a b is a prime number. Okay, after that is firstly is dealing with this one. Can you written is like this, log x base 2, and is 4 is given 2 power 2, and same is 8 is written is 2 power 3, and same is log x base k. Okay, after that is see that is 2 and 3 is the power is shifting to the coefficient, so x2. After that is 1 by 2 log s2 according to this property. Now see that log e power n is given, so now is a 1 upon n log m base l. Okay, same is 1 by 3 log x base 2 is equal to log x base k. After that is 1 by log x is common and 2 is common, so now is remaining is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 only. Correct. After that is see if you add, then see firstly is both are condition. Now is 11 by 6 plus 5, that is 11 by 6, and log x to the base 2 is equal to log x to the base k. Okay, if you're shifting to total is a power, so now you see that is log is x power 11 by 6 is a base 2 is equal to log x k. If you're anti-log in both side, then you see now you see x, that is meaning is only that is k is equal to, you can like this, it never be shifted to 6 by 7. So can your powers is used in 2. Okay, 2 power 6 by 11 is a reverse form, because 1 upon b, now you see that is like this, 1 upon b log a and base b and is a n. So now is can n is shifting to the side, meaning is log b power n a. So now is used this property in the same power shifting. After that if you say that is compare, then is k is equal to 2 power 6 by 11. Okay, now is a k value 6 by 11, so meaning is k value is given a by 1 by b, and now is a b is a prime number. So if you see that is a power 6 by 11, the meaning is can you convert in like this, k is equal to 2 power 6 power 1 by 11, because b is 11, that is a prime number. After that is a also is a possibilities, because 1 is given, so a power 6 is a 64, so 64 power 1 by 11. If you compare, then is a is equal to 11, sorry, a is equal to 64 or b is equal to 11. So 64 is asking that is a plus b in this question. Now is a plus b meaning is 64 plus 11, that is a 75, and is the final answer of this question.
More detail now, go to the playlist and watch the full logarithm video lecture, and like and subscribe this channel.